The Jackery Bar Portable Charger. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Jackery Bar 6000 milliamp portable charger. The company sent this out for me to review. This comes in various colors and you can pick this up online between $17 to $23 depending on the color. I have the link in the description below, so let's take a look at the charger. The charger was packaged well in this nice box. I have the black version. It comes with a micro USB charging cable and the instructions manual. This is the 6000 milliamp charger. It is very small and portable. The side has a power button. When you press it once, it will light up the LEDs on the front and you can see the charge status. Right now all three are lit, so it's fully charged. On the top you have an emergency light. You have the power and USB inputs also. If you double click the button, the emergency light will go on. The charger comes in at less than 4 inches in length and about 1 inch in thickness. It is well built and it does not feel flimsy at all. The casing is smooth all around and there's a branding on the bottom left on the front. Depending on the device you're using, you can charge it anywhere from 1.5 to 3 times before you have to recharge the bar. Charging is simple. It's recommended that you use the cables that came with your device. Here I have an iPhone. Just plug the USB port in one end and the other end to the phone. And then you can see it light up. Now I'll demonstrate the emergency light on the top of the charger. This can be handy if you need a light source. You just double click the button on the side and it will go on. The Jackery Bar 6000 milliamp portable charger. It's a smooth and well built device. This charger is great to have when you are on the go. It has a small form factor and you can easily put it in a bag, purse, or jacket. You will never have to worry about your device running out of battery. And it comes with a handy light. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.